Look up at the stars, and you might see a special constellation called Aquarius. The Sun is in front of the constellation Aquarius between February 16th and March 11th. Aquarius looks like a person pouring water from a jug. It's a neat shape in the sky. You can usually spot Aquarius in the late winter and early spring. People have looked at Aquarius for a long time and thought it represents hope and progress. So, the next time you see Aquarius, think about the good things it represents and the hope it brings.